In this video, we show you step-by-step how to properly prepare a terrazzo floor before installation to achieve a strong, smooth, and long-lasting finish. You will learn the essential surface preparation techniques, including cleaning, leveling, repairing cracks, and making sure the base is ready for new layers. Proper preparation is the most important stage in terrazzo flooring, and skipping it can lead to future problems like uneven surfaces or weak adhesion. Follow along carefully to get professional results even if you are doing it yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel to support us in creating more high-quality construction tutorials. Your feedback and suggestions are always welcome in the comments.
In this detailed video, you will learn the complete process of applying a sealer and protective coating on terrazzo. Stairs before the polishing stage. Proper preparation is one of the most important steps in achieving a smooth, durable, and professional finish. Whether you are a beginner, a construction worker, a tile installer, a terrazzo specialist, or a homeowner interested in learning professional finishing techniques. Next, we explain the importance of inspecting the terrazzo for minor defects, uneven spots, and surface irregularities. Understanding these details allows professionals to achieve